Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. This is Bismanaz. I am here to teach you the subject my word. As you can see the book. My word. So, today's lecture is on page number 24. Today's lecture is on page number 24. Open the page number 24. Okay. So, on the page number 24, we will study animals kingdom. What will we study on the page number 24? Animals kingdom. Let's have some looks on the animals that are pasted on the book's page. Okay. So, the statement is, circle the things we can get from these animals. Circle the things we can get from these animals. Circle the things we can get from these animals. Here the name of animal. Here the name of animal and mention things. And mention things. We have to circle the thing which can be obtained by the animal written here. Alright. So first of all, hen. Our first animal is hen. So, things we can obtain from hen. Can we obtain eggs from hen? If the answer is yes, we have to circle the eggs box. And the next one is meat. Can we obtain meat from hen? If the answer is yes, then we will circle the meat box. Okay? So, let's proceed. Just have a look. Here the first animal is hen. The first animal is hen. So, do we obtain egg from hen? Do we obtain egg from hen? So, yes, we obtain eggs from hen. So, we will circle the egg box. We will circle the egg box. The next is